Hello guys, how you guys doing? My name is Manny, a member and participant of the Red Club community, and I also participate in the Red Bounty program, which is what I'm doing today right now, trying to reach out to you guys to make you guys come and join Red Club. So I hope you guys will like this video. So earlier before today, I made a video about the Red Bounty program, and I talked about the video section, the tasks you can do. I made a video about the video section and the photo section, but there are other tasks which you have to do. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys specifically on the comment section of the tasks you need to be doing to make money. So I hope you guys will enjoy the video. Stay tuned for the video. So first off, I have to head over to the Chrome and show you guys the current time, because this is what I use to make people know that this is legit. So as you can see, this is March 18th, 2020, and the current time is 15:27, which is 3:27 while using the 12-hour clock, and my location is Nigeria. So first things first, as you can see, this is the tasks, the place you go to check if your task has been verified or not. So as you can see, my name here is Manny, as you can see, and I've been posting a lot of videos, and I've gone pretty far, and today is 18th, which I'm going to be posting this video right now that I'm doing. Yeah, as you can see, the last day was 17th. That is when I posted last. See my name up here. I like making my videos early. Yeah, so my name is here. I like making it early so that they get to see my video first. It's kind of a thing I have. So this is the place you come to check your tasks. As you can see, there's a video section, a comment section, a photo section, a comment section, and a forum section. So you just basically come here, you scroll up, you try and look for your name, your Instagram, your Telegram username, and when you find it, you just trace it down and know if they approved your video or not. So today we are going to be dealing at the comment section. Let me just quickly show you guys that. Okay, so as you can see right now, the comment section is limited. When I mean limited, I mean that it's not showing all the info, which means one thing, which means that they are currently trying to approve the videos. The moderators are taking the videos, the comments you've made on different forums, different social media. So I will show you guys the comment section. As you can see, this is the comment section, and this is everything you need to do in the comment section. Okay, to get to this point, I told you guys earlier in the video that you are going to have you're going to be a member of this Red Bounty program. So if you're a member of the Red Bounty program, all you need to do is just come to the pinned message here, click on it, and it's going to show up. What you just need to do again is to go to the comment section and click on it. It's going to load up your Chrome and load it up here. Once the thing gets here, it's going to open up just like this one that is here. So when it comes here, sorry guys, I have a very slow network, and I hope you understand. Okay, so this is the comment section, and as you can see, we just need to read through this, and you'll be clarified on the things you need to do. So they said this section must be used to comment on posts published by the Red Club official community or the Red Bounty members, photos and videos that are approved by the moderators. View standard tasks in the table. So basically, you're only going to comment on the approved videos by the moderators. If the video is not approved here, as you can see, some of the videos are rejected. Like this, I commented on some videos on YouTube and Instagram, but it was rejected because they gave me a reason: duplicate on line 369. So I basically commented twice. So that was the main reason why they rejected my comments. But they are approved ones. So to know the videos you have to comment on, you just need to come to this video section and check for the approved ones. So as you can see, you will see some approved ones, don't even comment on the commented one, like this one with the yellow color. If you click on it, you see the video is not clear, so you don't need to comment. You don't need to comment on this one. So what you just need to do is to open up a video like this one. Let's assume Musisik. You open it like this, go to the website. If it opens up, then you can comment down there. Once you comment, you are going to copy the URL. If you click on the seconds, you just copy the URL and come here, you paste it here. So I'm going to do one and show you guys how it's done. So there are a number of tasks that you can do here. There's a number of tasks. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is the if you just I just opened up a video of a Roy Club member, and what you guys just need to do here is to click on the time. Once you make a comment, make sure the comment is big, like at least not short comment. Make a long comment, something like this is okay. So what you just need to do is like it, then you just come here and click 5 days ago. Okay, this comment was made 5 days ago. I don't have to waste time making any comment. Just click on the comment and it's going to load up the address on the search bar. So what you now need to do is just to copy this address, copy it right here, and go over to your comment section and check for where it says Roy Club member video. Roy Bounty member video. So the guy was the participant of Roy Bounty. As you can see, YouTube comment on the YouTube video posted by a member of the Roy Bounty. So he was a member of the Roy Bounty because I took him from here. And if you are here, that means you're a member of the Roy Bounty. And just come here and you paste it here, and that's it, guys. We are done with the comments. So we are basically going to do this for the 9 remaining comments here, and just for the first 3, it will give you a link which you will go and just choose any one there and just comment and paste the same way I did here. What I did here on YouTube, that's what I'm going to do on Instagram and on Facebook. So if you click on the time after commenting, click on the time, it's going to load up your ID, your comment address on the search bar. Then you click on it, copy it, and you paste it here. That's what you're going to do. Then when you come down here, you're just going to follow the instructions here. Follow the instructions, and when you are done, you come here and put in your Telegram username. Like my own Telegram username is @many_0. So as you can see, this is my Telegram username. @many_0. So this is it. If I do this and I submit, then it's going to submit. But I'm not going to do that because this is not what I'm going to do. This is just a video to show you guys. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done that. Bye bye.